Hi there, students. Squiffy. Squiffy. Okay, squiffy is an adjective. I think mainly we use this word squiffy to say that somebody is drunk. Yeah, I think they're not very, very, very drunk. They're just a bit drunk. Yeah, so I'd had a couple of drinks and I was a bit squiffy. Notice this is an informal word. Yeah, I'd only had one glass of sherry and I felt squiffy immediately. So it's slightly drunk. It's not absolutely soused or drunk as a skunk or legless, but a bit squiffy, a little bit drunk. Notice, for me as well, we can also use this word squiffy, meaning something that's not straight. So move that picture a little bit because it's squiffy. It's not in line with the other pictures. It's askew. Yeah? Or, I don't know, for example, I've been staring at this computer screen all day and my eyes have gone a bit squiffy. Yeah, I can't see straight. Yeah, everything's a little bit a bit askew. It's awry. I guess you could probably use this as well with the idea of things went wrong. So everything was going according to the plan and then suddenly everything went squiffy. It went cockeyed. It went drunk, if you like. Yeah, it was not in the way that I had expected. Okay, so squiffy, slightly drunk. You can also use the word squiffed. But I think that's less common. I didn't say this word squiffy is very British. I'm not sure the Americans are going to understand this one. Yeah, so half an hour after the party started, everybody was a bit squiffy. I think tipsy is a good synonym for squiffy as well. Okay, and then squiffy, not straight, askew. Okay, so as to formality, squiffy, this is a 3 in formality, used in an informal British conversation, and I would say nowhere else. Yeah, don't use it anything more formally than that. And then as to origin, well, to me very clearly this is related to the phrase skew with. If something is skew with, it's not straight. Yeah, we need to get everything in line because several of these are skew with. They're not orientated correctly. They're not orientated in line. Yeah, so he put one of the wall lights here and one of them here. No, they can't be skew with. We want them to be at the same height. Yeah, you hang a picture skew with, and I would say, yeah, the picture is hung squiffily. Yeah, you could use squiffily as an adverb there. Okay, so squiffy, a bit drunk, not totally plastered, but rather intoxicated. Yeah, so after a couple of drinks, he was a bit squiffy and went home. Yeah, my eyes have gone squiffy because I've been staring at this computer screen all day. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Squiffy.